me, but I need you now. Yeah, I find out why I gave you what you needed. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me that the yes, I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body.
Say, I mean, the mess of my mind. And I mean, they make it free of my mind. Say, your body talk to me nice. Say, now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love never lie. Say, every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave, you go by. Yeah, you believe I'm struggling your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want me to me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, baby, day.
You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Hey, baby, everybody's the same. No one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way.
Back till the morning, my won't be done from your loving.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be, girl? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you know that already. When I found you on the ground in the dark, now you come into my yard on the back. When you see me on the edge, you know. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, I will wait for you. Hey y'all, so I just came back from Publix, as you guys saw. I'm getting what I'm gonna show you guys basically what I got. Ended up getting some egg whites, whipped cream. I really prefer the red one, but they didn't have the red one, so I had to get this one. I got the coffee creamer, the Italian sweet cream. I'm gonna see if I can froth this because I got a frother coming in from Amazon, so I'm gonna see how that works. See if I can froth this and see how that works. Right. Then I got some waffles. Got some hot chocolate, which I should have got the pods, but I wasn't paying attention to it at the time. Got me some soap, and also I got me some turkey bacon, but I'm cooking that right now because I have a hair appointment at 10:30 and it's 9:30 right now, so I do have to start getting ready for that. I had an appointment this morning, so I had to go to my makeup appointment first, and then I just went and got some quick little groceries real quick. Today is pretty much gonna be like a content day because you guys already see me get my nails done already, and if you didn't, these are my nails. if you haven't already. If you need to see them up a little bit closer, go ahead and watch my last short or my my vlog for nail day. So I'll see you guys in a second. Hey y'all, today is the next day. Welcome to my vlog. My name's Kendra if this is your first time here. And today, you guys already saw me go to the grocery store and eat breakfast. So right now it's 10:25. I told you guys I was going to get my hair done. My appointment is at 10:30, but I'm literally like 2 minutes away. So definitely gonna go there because baby, I had an appointment yesterday, but something happened and I couldn't keep my appointment or whatever. So I ended up doing it today. So today is just, I couldn't get work done yesterday. My hair wasn't done. So pretty much I'll be able to get my, once I do my hair, then I'll be able to get more content out. Also keep in mind, I do have a few content videos coming up. So make sure you stay tuned to that. I want you guys to please make sure to subscribe because the content I've been dishing out with the vlogging, I know is a little low compared to my content videos, which I'm thinking I might start doing a little bit more content videos. And then, like, I'm still gonna vlog, but I won't do it as much because I've noticed that everybody loves my content videos. But I think right now vlogging, I don't think it's my time for vlogging yet. My content definitely does numbers, so I feel like I need to do what you guys, I guess, seem to like based on the numbers I've been getting. See you guys at my appointment. Hey y'all, so your girl just came from getting her hair did or whatever. Y'all like the color? I dyed this color last night. This is how the color turned out. I know you guys saw me dye it, so this is what the color look like, right? Fire. My shit fire, ain't it? Ew. Now your girl about to go get cute or whatever. We about to go get cute, right? We about to be fire as fuck, okay? Because, baby, we are not gonna let this fucking hair get the best of us, okay? Like, it's not, we gonna get content out of this, baby, okay? We gonna get some content, okay? So my camera died when I was in there, so I'm sorry about that. I didn't realize the battery was so low. So of course, I'm definitely gonna leave Keela, who did my hair, I'll leave her Instagram down in the bottom description box so that you guys can find her. Anyone who lives in Atlanta and wants their hair done, you can definitely book her. And yeah, so that's pretty much it.